I'm grateful for the path and the decision to come to WSB. I was nervous about it. I didn't know what a career in drones looked like, but it was apparent on my first day that I was surrounding myself with the right people and the right company that's going to support that. My name is Cody Cattell. I am the Drone and 3D Scanning Service Lead here at WSB. I work within the GIS group, which is part of the technology division, and I manage flight operations, flight planning, data collection, and processing for drones, and also other various types of geospatial collection. Being in kind of a unique niche field with drones, I was really excited at that opportunity to work for a company that put effort into advancing technologies and giving our engineers and our clients the most up-to-date information that we can. I get to see the first early stages of what we do in civil engineering, and I get to take that first step and kind of see it throughout the very entire life cycle of a project. Usually one of the earliest ones out on the field doing data collection with the drone, and then I get to go back typically and I get to do project spotlight photos on projects that have been within WSB's work for 2, 3, 4 years. I have a lot of pride when I drive by something that I know that WSB had a hand in creating or designing or inspecting or whatever role we had in it, and I like to know the details of that project. The information that I gathered with the drone was a crucial first step in creating what I now see. I think one important consideration if you're thinking about coming to WSB is personability and authenticity. I think when somebody is authentic and they're excited about the line of work, everything else kind of follows after that. WSB has afforded me an opportunity to chase what I'm passionate about and to strive for technologies I'm excited about. And I think that has allowed me to kind of carve out what I would generally consider a fairly niche career path in drones, but I can do that at WSB, and I feel really proud of the work I do.